What's up, y'all? Austin here from YBO. Just wanted to do a brief intro for this little mini series I'll be doing that I'm calling The Chase. At the tail end of December and into early January, I got 3 weekends back to back of getting to do some hunting. The very last weekend of December, me, Matthew, and Kendal went out to Matthew's place and got to do a little bit of a pheasant hunt. Then the very next day, I grabbed my bags and I headed down to Corpus Christi, Texas to visit my girlfriend. And while I was there, we went to her ranch to do some hog hunting. And then on the way back to Wichita, I stopped in East Texas to visit one of my cousins and got to do some hog hunting there. So yeah, this will be a little 3-episode mini-series, and hopefully we can do more like this, or tell us what you think about it. But you know, let's just get right on into it. Hope you all enjoy. Well, yeah, I'm live. Oh,
Is that a dog's place?
A guy shot here.
It's okay. This one, but you understand?
Yeah.
The way that brush has to hit them.
Yeah.
Now let's see. Those you can still get. I want a pair you can keep.
Huh?
I'll walk down here.
Both are right here. Hunting. Oh, that's a hard point. No, yeah, there's something right there, man. go, Matt. You want me? You done? Or you got it? Is he on point? Oh. Ah. God dang it. Kendal is running on something over there. Dude, my gun, like my shell didn't eject fully, so my gun jammed. Yeah, I got like 2 shots off, I think. Gosh dang it.
No, I was just gonna everything back here and we can see your game.
All right.
That's awesome.
All right, midday report.
And we'll just live. Is this yours? No, this is Kendall's. Kendall, can I put this in the back? Awesome.
That's mine.
Oh,
yeah.
Can I put it in the back?
Yeah. Oh, here, I'll throw it up here with mine.
Okay.
Mid-hunt report.
Hey, yeah.
There's Kendal, the quail destroyer, because I've shot freaking 0. Kendal has shot. Did you guys both shoot the 2, or are you the only one?
Matthew and I both shot that last one.
Okay, but you shot the first one.
Yeah.
And then you guys shot a second one, which went and landed, but then Jake found it, right?
Correct. It flew off. We didn't think it died because it was kept flying. And then we decided to walk that area to see if we can spook it up again. All of a sudden, Jake comes out with a quail in his mouth.
But yeah, I think we might walk a little bit more. But who knows? We spooked up a rooster first thing, and that sucker just disappeared, and none of us even shot at it.
Load up, come on.
But anyways.
Good boy, Jake.
All right.
Gotta strip layers though. We got the dogs with us. We're gonna go check out a few walk-ins around the Kingman area. One of our hunting buddies did a walk-in earlier today and only saw 1 bird, so we're not going to go to that place. We're gonna go somewhere else where Kendal has observed to be promising. But we will see. For quail, yeah. We're gonna try to get in some quail.
I'm just gonna pray this car ride. Hopefully we shoot straight and get some birds. You know, had a lot of misses this morning.
Yeah, we did actually.
So that's out of our system, and now we're ready to live it out.
Damn straight.
Oh.
Yeah, so two quail, right?
Total, yep. That'll be a good snack.
Anyways, just another day in the YBO hunting group for you.
Love it.
Anyways, we out.
That was, yeah. Sorry, I was like, what is he trying to do?